My name is Hope Wright. I am 18 years old and I'm from Schoolcraft, Michigan. I started noticing that I had visual problems more when I got into high school because you started doing a lot more like hands-on things and teachers started asking you more to read up on the board, and that's when I realized that I had more things wrong with my eyes. I was getting nauseous a lot, and when I was reading up on the board, I kept losing track, and it was excruciating pain sometimes with my eyes, and it hurt really bad. My experience at WOW Vision was amazing. I absolutely love it here, and I think for everyone else that will be coming here, I hope that they have the greatest experience that I've had. The ladies are nice. Everyone is so kind. No matter of any disabilities you have, no matter what your condition is, they will accept you for you, and they always like to have fun. I worked with Dr. Sana, and I learned that I was actually one of her first patients in here, and she is an amazing doctor. And then my therapist was Jessie. I absolutely love Jessie. She is amazing, and she makes sure that you're okay no matter what the circumstance is. Like if you're hurting, she'll make you take a break and stuff, make sure you gather yourself back up, and she is just the kindest person ever. My treatment was like at WOW Vision, like it was different. Like I didn't think that I was gonna be doing some of the things I was doing. Like I did VR, which that was awesome. Like hands down, I think if anyone comes here, I think they should try the VR. I didn't know it was helping me until I realized like, oh, like I started seeing double and then my eyes would fix it. And they put me on a 3D machine where you have these special glasses that you put on, and then you have like an Xbox controller, and you start pressing the keypad up, down, left, right of what one pops out, and I think that was so cool. And then I did one where they have these balls hanging from tether ropes, and it greatest invention that I've ever seen, and they'll swing them back and forth, and I'll start hitting them with a ball, and they would put these glasses on me. And it would make it tricky. Like sometimes it would look down, sometimes it would make everything taller, and I would have to try to hit the ball on like the string, and it was awesome. My life has changed after treatment like no other. I do trap shooting. I am now going to nationals, and I'm one of the highest people in Michigan for trap shooting. I am ranked third in the state. My life has changed for like the better or good. My grades have went up so much, and now I'm an A and B student, and I have a 4.0 GPA now. I have less nausea, which is amazing, so I don't get car sick anymore. I can drive by myself and not feel really dizzy and have to pull over. I can read like really fluent now, where I don't get lost in my places. I don't experience the stuff that I used to. And when I'm on my phone now, I don't get the pains in my eyes. I feel fine, and I feel like a regular person just doing regular activities. I would tell others that are having the same symptoms as me to come to WOW Vision Therapy because it is a life changer.